If your strawberry plants are green and leafy, but barely giving you any berries, or they are turning yellow, wilting, and dying, even though you have been watering them faithfully, do not pull them out just yet, because the problem usually comes down to 7 common backyard mistakes rather than the plant itself. Welcome back to Garden Wisdom, where we keep growing simple and rewarding. And today, we are breaking down every single one of these pitfalls so you can turn that struggling patch into an abundant harvest. Mistake number 1 is planting your strawberries in the wrong spot. They genuinely require 6 to 8 hours of direct daily sunlight to produce the sugars needed for sweet berries, along with soil that holds balanced moisture while allowing excess water to drain freely away from the root zone. Additionally, never plant them where solanaceous crops like tomatoes, peppers, eggplants, or potatoes recently grew, as lingering soil-borne diseases can attack vulnerable young crowns, though you can always utilize containers, hanging baskets, or raised planters with open drainage holes if garden space is lacking. Mistake number 2 is setting the crown at the wrong planting depth. That critical central junction where roots meet leaves must sit precisely level with the soil surface, because burying it too deeply invites rot, while perching it too high exposes and dries out the roots. Mistake number 3 is letting runners overrun the patch. While free daughter plants sound tempting, uncontrolled runner growth creates a dense, tangled jungle where plants ruthlessly compete for water, nutrients, sunlight, and airflow. So prune away excess runners during active fruiting, and only preserve a select few strong ones for future propagation. Mistake number 4 is the most dangerous trap of all: overwatering and poor drainage. When root rot strikes from saturated, oxygen-deprived soil, the plant ironically wilts and looks thirsty, tempting you to add more water when it is actually drowning. Always perform the simple 2-inch finger test. If the soil is dry deep down, water thoroughly at the base of the plant. But if it is cool and soggy, stop watering immediately. Fix drainage issues and let those suffocating roots breathe. Mistake number 5 is leaving the soil bare. Applying a loose layer of clean straw or organic mulch keeps heavy fruit off damp dirt to prevent rotting and pests, moderates moisture evaporation, stops weed competition, and prevents fungal soil splashback during storms, provided you keep the mulch clear of the central crown. Mistake number 6 is overfeeding nitrogen for lush leaves instead of fruit. Excessive nitrogen builds enormous dark green foliage at the expense of blossoms and berries. So rely on balanced compost or fruit-formulated fertilizers and feed June-bearing varieties after harvest to rebuild vital root reserves. Mistake number 7 is neglecting to renew an aging patch. Perennial strawberries inevitably lose vigor and productivity over time, making it essential to renovate beds post-harvest and systematically swap out tired 3-year-old crowns with healthy, rooted daughter runners. For optimal success, pinch off first-year blossoms on new June-bearing plants to establish deep roots. Shield ripening berries from birds and slugs with netting, harvest ripe fruit promptly, and test your soil to maintain the slightly acidic pH strawberries crave. Gardening rewards patience, so inspect that soil, let the roots breathe, and subscribe to Garden Wisdom for more practical homestead growing advice.